This is me when I start my day with a delicious, protein-filled breakfast. You can have an awesome day like me with this delicious, cheesy, pantry egg English muffin for about $1.74, not $5 from McD's. And everything is straight from your pantry, including the real eggs. Welcome to another episode of Wake Up Wednesday, where I take one of my easy loaded potato breakfast recipes and show you how delicious and easy it is to make using only canned and pantry staples. This cheesy pantry egg English muffin can be made in 10 minutes for about $1.74. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No more hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll be sure that you never have to worry about dinner or breakfast again. Growing up, an Egg McMuffin from McDonald's was an ultimate treat. We got it like once a year. And I will eat my weight in English muffins. They're so delicious. If you haven't seen my video on how to make sourdough English muffins, check it out right here. You'll need it for these delicious protein-filled English muffins. Once you have your English muffins, I've got mine. I made them last night. You can tell I made them because they're just a little bit ugly. It's real life here. They're not perfect, but they are so delicious. Now, before we start on our English muffin, we're gonna wanna start on our egg. We're gonna start with my hack, powdered egg. We're just making this for one, so we're gonna take 1/4 cup of egg powder and combine it with 1/3 cup of water. Now, my hack to make these eggs super creamy and delicious, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of powdered milk and 2 teaspoons of syrup. Now we're gonna stir our egg mixture all around. Now when you're making powdered eggs, it can be a little clumpy. All you have to do is once you mix it, let it sit for about 5 minutes and the water will completely absorb into all the powder and it won't be clumpy anymore. So we're just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. While we're waiting for our eggs to set, we're gonna start a broil on our oven to get it preheated. And once our eggs are nice and stirred together and they look like liquid butter. Now we're gonna preheat our stove to medium. I like my English muffins looking just so. So I use actually these rings, these 3-inch rings. You can use a cookie cutter. I just use the top of jars and I put them on my pan to make the perfect shaped egg. We're gonna spray our pan and let our pan preheat a little bit. All right, once your pan is nice and preheated, we're gonna pour our egg right into our little molds. Top it with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and now we're gonna let the bottoms cook while we steam the top. So we're gonna put a little bit of water in the top and cover it so the steam cooks the top of the egg. Now that's gonna need to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're gonna work on our English muffin. We're gonna start with mayo and mustard on each side. Smear that all around nice. Now we're gonna top it with 2 slices of American cheese. Once your muffins are looking like this, we're gonna put them on a cookie sheet. We're gonna put them in the oven to let them broil for just another minute or 2 while our eggs finish cooking. Once your cheese is all nice and melted and beautiful, now we're gonna take our muffin, put them on a plate, and now our eggs should be cooked beautifully. So we're just gonna pop the rings off with a little knife here, and you should have some perfectly round eggs. Top it right on your English muffin like so. Should be looking something like that. And I like to top mine with a little bit of green onions. Now the only thing left to do is dig in. And there you have it. Easy, cheesy, pantry egg English muffins, all for about $1.74. Now comment below what your favorite breakfast treat was as a kid. And even now, if we're on a road trip, I will never turn down a delicious egg muffin. Now, be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. I made this delicious, cheesy pantry egg English muffin to serve one. But you can check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipes to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra for leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry to make it a moment's notice, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh Cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.